Bye.
Muli na ka?
Nalang si taxi.
Kandali ba?
Go back to ISIS.
Dahil tanawa sa daan dahil. Yung cellphone.
Kadali ba?
20T. Honda White. Honda Shuttle. Hybrid.
Hana? Pila ka minutes?
3 minutes na lang. Did you...
Time.
Wait, dahil... You give this.
Bye-bye.
You give this to Rosalyn. You give this to Rosalyn.
Wala na pustanan. Dia pa dang. Dia pa ting.
Musiga ng tiyan. Musiga ng tiyan. Imbes may musiga ng mata, musiga ng tiyan.
Do you want a mince pie as well? This is, you eat these all through Christmas.
You are not late for you.
Bye-bye. Hala. Gabing kinananay na to, Ron.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you daw.
Very Christmas.
Rosalyn said very much. Thank you daw.
Very Christmassy, isn't it?
Did you understand why I said thank you daw? Thank you daw.
Thank you what?
Thank you daw.
Now, what's now?
She said, thank you for you. Thank you for you.
Thank you for the...
Accommodating.
No.
For everything.
Wonderful time.
Yes, very good, very good, very good.
Anybody want some more cheese?
Me, baby. No, I will eat ice cream. No, thank you.
Do you want some more cake?
No, thank you.
Mura mo siya tanduay judoy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's very good of him.
Ito si Max, si Sir, grabe na ko ang tihong balay, eh.
Nawa. Very good.
Saan na duwa day? Tagasog na.
Fulham of Newcastle biyang me. That's twice already that the...
What kind of cheese this one?
Baby,
Cheddar? Cheddar?
Fair
That's
price or
yeah.
cold storage?
I like
Yeah,
cheddar.
baby, can you give me a cheese? I cannot leave it.
Abi na ko niya ganang cheese.
Mukhaon ko cheese. Mukhaon ako cheese kay...
Healthy man ang cheese ting.
Kuan man siya fatty food.
Pop, ako, nung sinipod ka cheese ka ng buong cheese, oh. Ako, nagkaon ito sa'yo ka na manghungkab, record, eh.
Gabi, ang hungkab ka.
Nanghungkab gabi, gutom mo gabi, nanghungkab na.
Cheese mo ko ano, makabusog na.
Natulog na si...
Why is Rosalind gone? She had to get home early.
Yeah. She have
Curfew.
6 p.m.
Curfew.
Curfew. At 6 p.m.
Travel 1 hour.
That's why she said like she never experienced to go home nighttime. She want to see Singapore in nighttime. She never have that. If we are worse, she is worse. But it's already okay now because the employer is a bit nicer now.
Well, not obviously not.
That obviously not. Ours is worse.
Limutan ka?
Right, I'm going to have another glass of port. Look at that.
Asa na siya, tanduay o wine? It's a wine or?
It's a fortified wine, so it's fortified with cognac, and it's left in barrels.
Giganahan jud siya.
There was a very famous British admiral. You know what an admiral is? The leader of the fleet.
Yeah.
In 1805, who won a battle.
1805.
18.
Ooh.
Who won a battle against the French, which changed the fortunes of Britain, and Britain became the strongest nation in the world after that battle. And his name was Nelson. And this battle was fought right at the south of Spain. So Spain's here, and England is all the way up here. So it used to take about 6 weeks to sail.
6 weeks to
So
sail.
they put him in a barrel.
So
of port.
2 months.
They put him in a barrel of port to preserve his body.
Oh, that's right.
So port comes from Portugal, and the oldest European alliance is England and Portugal.
Yeah, you know,
Oh, siya tanduay ni.
so in the...
I just like it.
How they
Hard
make
man
wine,
gud siya.
they put in the big jar in the inside, no, in the land, the big jar. They cover it the soil. They cover it.
To preserve.
Wow! Wait.
Because you're supposed to keep wine at a constant temperature.
Isaac, you're so stupid.
Asa ng kasol usay sulod na yellow?
Kanang yellow nga, na blow.
Nakasol na.
Yung kasol,
So no matter what happened there was going to be offside. They did
That was a nice day, wasn't it?
behind the.
Thank you, baby.
Thanks you very much. You have a
None of them in the whole line got
good time.
Even it's so noisy.
Yeah, he will used to it. We're gonna go to the Philippines.
I'm already used to it.
Oh.
But very worse in Philippines.
Yeah.
Sunday you can hear the
Not on-
radio K.
Not only Sunday, every day.
Yeah.
But that's why I want my own little.
Naghubog tabi anong ka English ang mayo.
looking at that.
Do you want to be drunk so that you can...
She got the red wine smile. Look. You see, look at the edge of her face. Look at the red wine.
Hindi na nagyara pa yan.
Look at me. Look at me. Look. Look.
No, you don't have.
It's gone. No,
Yes.
you haven't got it.
Wow,
Baby.
I have a red lips now.
Baby, you made Rosalind to drink for the first time.
Well, she obviously liked it.
The first, I didn't know she drink this one. It's very
No,
strong. She said, it's nice, it's nice. Oh my God.
Yan naman ni Hapon.
So you can see I'm a lot healthier than I was the last time you came when I couldn't do anything for ages because of my heart. I'm better, aren't I? Though?
Yeah. Just don't eat. Drink too much. Drink too much.
No. Oh. But that gin fizz is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, this one I like it.
It's refreshing. You can drink loads.
Yeah, this one is. Yeah,
I drink
very
3.
quickly.
I drink 3 with this. Rosalind just drink like water.
I didn't feel the alcohol inside.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Well, it's got 100. It's got 160 ml of, not in yours, but to make that all that lot, there's 160 ml of soda water, 90 ml of gin, 60 ml of lemon squeeze juice, and 20 ml of syrup, sugar syrup.
You know,
So that's 20. What?
He
mix wine.
Ang ako,
with
wala.
wine.
Wait, what happened to your phone? Why there's no people?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What were we saying? Before Big Mouth interrupted.
Interrupt.
I said
She drank.
I drank a lot of wine mixed together.
Beer.
Beer.
Oh,
Yeah, but
shit.
you haven't had a lot.
Before that, and this one I have 2. This one, you know.
Then to this one.
Yeah, beer, the wine, the
Yeah,
first
but
one.
that's all day, remember?
My
You'd be all right.
God.
I wouldn't have any more.
Yeah, but this one.
But you're drunk.
And
Not yet.
you know, this is the last. This is the last day that we have having here. We are having here.
Why last day?
Why last
Because
day?
we
Why
know
last day?
3 months they are moving in the, you know.
Ah, in this house.
Yeah, in this house.
Well, we've got until July the 14th. On July the 14th, all this is
my
been
last
shipped
birthday is
and
27.
July.
27 ka dyan.
28.
What?
29.
Wala na.
Kasunod na magong Lolo 27. Lolo's birthday is 27. And
29.
yeah, 29.
And you can see, so it's important. It's going to be an important
Yes.
But we are.
More than my life's worth.
No, you are. Nada, you are turning into 30.
new cars at Harvey Bar.
38.
You know what you've done again.
Now you are.
She was just a
37.
young 34-year-old when I met her.
Yeah, now I'm
Also 4 years.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
I'm
counting.
very young.
For-
You can.
And I was just a young 61-year-old.
Now we grow old. I'm almost 40. My God, I'm very young when you meet. Oh no.
Myron said you see.
You met.
When times get tough, look.
Sana'y maging tayo. Mahal ko, mahal kita. Pag-ibig ko'y di magbabago. Inilaan ko sa isang tulad mo. Sana ako rin ang laman ng puso mo at ng isip mo. Para sa'yo ang pusong ito. Inilan ko sa isang tulad mo. Sana naman ay tanggapin mo, pagkat sa'yo lamang ang damdamin ko. Sana'y maging tayo. Mahal ko, mahal kita. Pag-ibig ko'y di magbabago. Inilan ko sa isang tulad mo. Sana ako rin ang laman ng puso mo at ng isip mo. Sana tayo na. Sana tayo na.
Almost 4 years.
Diba? Wala rin ba?
See? Yeah. Because I don't like people laughing at
She
you
did the
because
splits, you know.
oh,
Oh, really?
I was drunk.
On the first night,
How was the first time?
on that bit of walkway from Esplende to the Fullerton, and she got down on the railings and she went.
Okay, baby, you should.
How was the first time you saw her?
Oh, she likes me a lot because when because we're wearing masks at that time. Remember?
May COVID time.
Yeah, you can remove your mask if you have drinks already.
And she was
So, you're safe.
she was bricking it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I remove my mask,
You shy like,
I just like
I remember or not?
Philip said like, oh, you're so pretty. Can I hold your hand? Sure.
Do you like her? Do you like her?
In the first meet?
In the
Yes.
first meet.
Yes. Yes.
Her eyes are stunning, and then when she took her mask off, I went, oh, for
like
God's
the
sake.
other, not like the other, the meet you met before.
What do you mean?
You meet
You met before.
I don't wanna be too much, but I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna know how you feel, baby. I just wanna go where your love take me. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. You go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me. your life, don't ever stop. Give me your touch, give me your love, give it some more. I'm losing my sanity, you taking me under. For you I surrender, you're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under, boy, you got me fond of. Yeah, boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it, I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. And let me live again, I'll take no more from you. You got my soul, oh, you let me.
It's too hard work going out with you to finish.
No. We're gonna suffer and
It's
pay.
okay, just book that, Philip.
Rosalind went out here at 1,000,000 miles an hour washing up.
Dali-dali niya, kumlaya si
Bag-o lagi mo kuan.
Oh, pinalit na ako dahil I like it.
Dili siya color.
Ganahan ko siya dahil baka attractive siya sa
Oh.
mesa. Katong,
Match siya sa mga kuan.
oh, katong kapilit sa una kay mga kuha na siya.
Pantigulang
Lalaki
man to.
manggod siya. Oh,
Pantigulang.
Tigulang. Tapos kanang,
Vintage style.
dili po dahil, usa pa po dahil, lalaki. Ang ilang lifestyle different. Kika ayos na.
Gusto lang dark, no?
Oh, gusto nila nga.
Pero ganahan ko.
Kanang gusto nila ang wood, mapud.
Ma-match food siya.
Ako lang po, mag-wood lang, mapud na, mag-wood, tanan
Ano
wood.
yung ay, ako mga ako, ganang kinang-ginani.
Kuster?
Kaning mga, ano ba?
Kuster gani.
Native, mga native.
Kanay, native na, pinalit na mo sa, di na eh. Basta, palit-palit ang sa, unsa eh, jagwa, ay.
Sao naman eh.
Fly, you let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out